radicals. All right, radicals. Radicals, just a fractional exponent. This is a fractional exponent of a half, right? Because it's a square root. The radical actually has a 2 here. It's just hidden. So, because they're all square roots, then we can put them all under one thing. I mean, technically, this is just 96 times 12 over 48, all square rooted, right? So what we can do here is try to break down some things first. Does 12 go into 48?
Yes.
How many times?
4.
4.
Bang.
Bam. All right. So then that helps. Does 4 go into 96?
Yes.
How many times?
8.
8.
Wait, what?
I don't think so.
Wait. I was going to say 4 times 8 is 32.
How many times does 4 go into 96?
Not 11, by the way.
So it goes in twice, right? With 1 left over.
I was thinking of 12.
And then 4.
20.
Is that right? 24?
Yes, 24, man.
Okay. Alright, so we got the square root of 24. Now we just got to break that down. 24 broken down. 2 goes into 24. Am I recording? Hopefully.
I think it is.
Cool. 12 times. 2 goes into 12. 2 goes into 6. 3 goes into 3. And then take your pairs. I got a 2. And that's it, right? So 2 square roots of what? 6. Yeah, because these just get multiplied. And there it is. Cake. Eat it up.
I'll have to take a picture of Kobe now, make that.
All right.
Cake? Huh?
Now when we're adding these, or subtracting them, we want to break them down first because they have to be like terms. This is no different than if I had 3x plus 2x plus 5x, right? If I could add those, right?
Right.
But if I have a y in here, I can't add these 2 to that. I have to add just these 2. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So I have to make sure that these are the same. Right now they're all different.
Yep.
So let's break down the 45. What is it?
3 root 5.
So, yeah, 3 root 5. Good. So, and how she got there was she broke it down with, what is it? 2, no, 3, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. You're done. She got 3. So it's going to be 5 times 3 root 5. So she's going to end up with what? 15 root 5. Okay? And then let's break down the 80. 80. How do I break down 80?
Wait. Where'd you get?
16 going to
How is it 5 times 3, then the square root of 5? That's wrong.
Oh, for this?
Yeah.
So this comes out as a 3, right? That's your pair. So it comes out. What's left in the box? 5. So it's 3 root 5.
I thought it was there.
Right?
Yeah, I just don't
And then that goes here because this is times that piece. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So this is going to be like that. No problem.
I just got mixed up.
Oh, that's good. You got to slow me down, otherwise I keep moving. So 80. How do I break 80 down? What goes into 80?
5 or 15 square roots of 5?
80?
No, for the last one.
Well, this is, the 45 is 3 square root 5. But it's 5 times that. Right? So then it ends up being 15 square root 5. All right, what goes into 80?
16.
Okay. Or 2.
I was going to say 2 would be a lot easier, right?
No, because 16 is.
She likes 16 because 16's got a perfect square.
Yeah.
What?
And that's another way of doing it.
Rosie, you're too damn smart.
Okay. So, but 2 goes into it 40 times, right? 2 goes into 40
Oh, sorry.
20 times. 2 goes into 10.
How stupid is this?
5 times.
That's 5. That you just put it. Never mind. No.
Is that right?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. And then I pick out my pairs. So Rosie and I come up with the same thing. She just likes to do it faster, and that's okay.
2.
I don't think it's fast. I think Rose just like. Thinks
So it's 2 times 2, and then this is left in the box, right? So we got 4 square root 5. And so that becomes minus 4 square root 5. And then we have plus 2 square root 5. And now it's like having x's. 15x minus 4x plus 2x.
You got a lot of X's.
And we just do it. What's 15x minus 4x? 11, right? 11x. Right? 11 square root 5. And then plus 2 square root 5.
So it's 13 square root 5.
That's right.
Bang.
And this is definitely on the SPAC. Did you remember it? I don't know.
I don't even know. I thought it
I know it was on there. They also had fractional exponents, a lot of them.
Can you edit? Someone give me the sketch right here.
Wait, is it just seniors that take the SBAC?
Juniors. But now it's anyone. It's starting now. It's the new test. That's the test you're going to be taking to graduate. So next year, the freshmen this year become sophomores. They'll be taking the SBAC next year to see if they can graduate. And all they'll have in their tool bag is Algebra 1 and Geometry. And some of them, a small portion of them, might make it to Algebra 2 next year. And those students will have a good probability of passing it. The Geometry students and the Algebra 1 students, very small. Should I pause it? Sorry.
I didn't even know it was so on.